Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert different footers in Word. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open the Word document, and here you need to click on Insert and click on Footer. So here you can see that I insert a footer, but I want to add different footers. So let me select here. So okay, you can see that all footers are now same. So let me select this page and go into the layout and click on breaks and click on next page, and then you need to select this, that is section 2. You simply need to unlink that. Okay, so now this is unlinked and it is section 2. So here I'm going to add thanks for, and you simply need to go and repeat the same step with the third page. Go and click on layout, click on breaks, click on next page, and now you simply need to come, and here you can see that is section 3. You simply need to unlink that, and here you need to add so let me add for watching. So here you can see that. So this is the process by which you can insert different footers in Word. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.